Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to be making something known as a Dutch Baby Pancake. This is a great alternative to regular pancakes. It's baked in the oven and it's something more like a Yorkshire pudding. So you want to start off by preheating your oven to 425 degrees. Next up, grab your blender, crack in 3 eggs, three-quarters of a cup of milk, half a cup of flour, a quarter cup of sugar, a quarter teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of vanilla. And now blend until smooth. Grab your preheated skillet and add 2 tablespoons of ghee. If you don't have ghee, you can always use butter, but be careful with the temperature. Now, carefully pour in the liquid from the blender. And immediately place in the oven. And bake for 20 minutes. Once finished, take out of the oven. Top with some sugar and immediately serve. So that's it. Once again, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it.